Hi, I'm Joe Duffy from Manchester Metropolitan University, School of Digital Arts, and I'm here today at Stellamarian School to talk about the relationship between art and design and digital technologies. We looked at quite a few different approaches to digitisation of ideas through things like AI, generative media, looking at how AI can kind of help to create 3D sculptures or to create animations or to create different types of approaches to storytelling in a very creative way.
I've discovered something new about filmmaking, is that it's about taking shots of different angles, and I really like how they use the colors, the lighting in every scene that they took, and maybe I'll try to create my own video.
And I've just finished this art workshop which displayed lots of visuals like filmmaking and animation, sorts of like that. But what I'm most interested in is animation. The animation there was amazing. There was lots of visuals and colors, and in animation there's lots of storytelling, and I think if you study there you could learn on how you can animate and visualize your own story.
So as one way to get the students to really engage with that, we did a very small workshop looking at how to generate ideas from the environment around you. So part of that was to create a Padlet and then for students to go and look at aesthetics around them, to look at shapes, to look at textures, to look at the design of the everyday environment that they were in, just in one space. And students came up with some fantastic ideas as well, so it's really good to see in a very short period of time just how amazing the students' imagination was in terms of looking at the everyday around them and transforming it into something really ambitious creatively.